Hello everyone. Today I am back with the topic how to engage a child in the pandemic vacations. If you want to cut down on screen time of a child, then you definitely have to get your stuff, get it done. So it can be very hard to think of a fun way to keep a child engaged and busy throughout the day. But encouraging a child to trying something new is not bad. It is always worth. So I am going to share with you some games today, which you can try out and please give me comments too. So the first game I would like to share is you can create a game box. Like you can take some box and put some kind of stuff which a child likes to play. It can be a drawing, it can be a painting, it can be colors, it can be a playing cards or anything which a child or a ball, anything which a child wants and likes to play. And in the time when you want to be busy, you can hand over that box to a child and child will play with them. Initially he may feel a little difficult or unacceptance, but when it becomes routine time, he will definitely going to accept that game box time. The next game I'm going to share with you is it's have them to make their own cartoons. Like instead of watching cartoons in TV, which is definitely very harmful for the eyes for the kids, so you can ask your child to draw a cartoon or a cartoon hero of their choice. So for this, you only need a pencil and colors. And after the completion of the work, they must definitely share their views and story about their cartoon hero. The next game I'm going to share is you can design a treasure hunt. Now in this it's very interesting game. Here we can hide any of the article like box or toy or bottle or anything which you feel can be easily hidden, and then you can ask your child to search that particular hidden article which you have already hidden, and you can give them clue when the child reaches the when child get back the hunt after hunting the child gets back the treasure after hunting the treasure. So you can see the happiness in the face of a child, which will really satisfy you also. The next game I would like to share is play with lock and bolts. Now here it's something different. Here your kids can be given some locks and keys and you ask them to unlock it. So your young kids get mesmerizing by unlocking anything. So through this activity your child will also develop the motor skill. Now the next activity or a game which your child can play is magnify the fun. Now here for this you need to have your own garden in your home where you can send your child with a magnifying glass and feel the nature around. Like we can see a crawling ant through the magnifying glass. Then we can also see a leaf through magnifying glass, bark of a tree, beetle, anything, and come back and enjoy the nature around that. So child when is in the garden definitely feel attached to the garden and nature, and he will definitely feel something good, and definitely he should come back and share the experience with you all. So these are some of the games which I shared today. I hope you would like it, and keeping little ones engaged is tough, but trying new things or new activities will make them always engage in a productive way. And you know that child when we give something new, they definitely try and feel happy, and you never know, they may learn in a fun way manner. So thank you very much. Bye bye.